Linking Calendly to your iPhone calendar allows you to synchronize your scheduled events seamlessly. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account on your computer or mobile device. Access Calendar Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Calendar Connections from the drop-down menu. Connect your iCloud calendar. In the Calendar Connections section, look for the option to add the calendar. Click on Add Calendar and select iCloud. You may be prompted to log into your Apple ID to authorize the connection. Grant permissions. Follow the prompts to grant Calendly permission to access your iCloud calendar. This ensures that any events scheduled through Calendly are reflected in your iPhone calendar. Set availability preferences. Once connected, set your availability preferences in Calendly. This helps ensure that only open time slots are available for booking. Test the integration. After linking, schedule a test event in Calendly. Check your iPhone calendar to confirm that the event appears correctly.